being believable, taking the audience on a journey, telling a story, acting is reacting. Yeah, we could discuss all these explanations, but a lot of them would have many interpretations. The purpose of this video is to provide a simple and concise answer to the question, what is acting? So maybe a better way of answering this question is to pose it in a different way. What is the purpose of an actor? Is the purpose of an actor to impress, to be liked, to entertain, to be centre of attention, to get good reviews? No, it's not any of these. The problem with those purposes is that with purposes like those, you need to have, or you will have, the audience in your head. I know because I've done this. You'll be constantly checking whether the audience approve of what you're doing. Do they like the performance? Do they think you're doing a good job? Is that critic writing about you in a way that's going to advance your career? You know, does he think you're a standout performer? So with these purposes, you always have to have the audience in your head. Now imagine you're playing a blacksmith in 1462 in a rural village. It's late afternoon, you're fashioning a set of horseshoes. It's been a long hard day, it's late September. It's getting a bit chilly outside, maybe it's raining. You're not too bad because you're warm, you've got the fire, it's not quite up to temperature. But you'd be having thoughts as a blacksmith like, the fire needs stoking. Where's my apprentice? He's lazy, I need a new one. I wonder if I'll get these done before dinner. My back's aching, it's getting worse. This hammer handle is wearing out, I need to get a new one. I'm not charging enough for these horseshoes. I should make something more profitable. Maybe swords, but I'm not good enough. I need to practice and I don't have the time. Those thoughts are more in the context of the story, and that's what you should be thinking as a blacksmith hundreds of years ago. You shouldn't be thinking about a modern audience in a modern theatre in 2021 and checking to see if you can ascertain what they're thinking about you and your performance. It isn't right. So all those purposes I mentioned, they're not the purpose of an actor. It's simple. The purpose of an actor is this: to create a character. That's it. So in answer to the question, what is acting? The simple answer is creating a character. And it's not up to the audience to tell you if you've created that character well or not. Audience members, critics will always have different opinions. It's up to you as the actor to have the skill and the tools to be able to create that character, to know how to do it, and also to be able to judge after the performance, to look back on it and have the points of reference and the knowledge to know what went well and what didn't go so well and how you would improve for the next performance. Now that might be the most simple and concise answer that I can provide, or that I was taught about what acting is, but it's not the most comprehensive. For instance, if you have got an inquisitive mind and want to find out about things, you'll already be asking the question, yeah, but what's a character? Fair enough. And that's coming in my next video. So hopefully you'll join me for that one. Thanks for watching.